Let me see the picture.
Manny Man. Manny Man. What's up? Huh? Goody Goody. Yeah, Goody Goody. You look like you like white with cheesy cheese. Huh? Oh, don't get too close because you look like you're whitey white. Oh, no, come on. This is too bright. Why is it so bright like that? Huh, Goody Goody? Oh, all right, there we go. We took that off. Now you don't look so bright. Say something. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Why you do grandma like that? What? She said, what I give her, she got to take.
Oh, okay.
She want the chocolate cake. She didn't want that birthday cake. She said she don't eat birthday cake.
Let me have a thing.
She only eat cake from other people's birthdays.
That's a tree. That's a tree.